Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a data analysis SQL project and I'm also sharing the project resources and data set in my description. Now let's see today's project. We are working on a retail sales analyst SQL project. Like you are seeing here, I have given my GitHub page in my description. You can go through that. First, we will be starting by creating a database setup. Then, we'll be doing data cleaning, data exploration, and data analysis and data finding. After that, we'll be doing number of questions that I have given here in my other project. Then let's start. First, we will be starting by opening our PG admin. This app. Then we'll be opening it from start and creating our database first. You can create your database by doing this, create and database. You can give our database name anything like a library, lib project 1. Then save. It will be creating a database for us. You can see below it our database name. You can open or create our table from here also, or we can use this query tool, then create our table. To create it, we will be using a query called create table and our table name. We will be giving our table name like retail sales. The service. It will be okay. Then we'll be adding our data here. You can see our data set here in my GitHub page. You will be downloading it like using git clone. In my GitHub page, you will be having this code or symbol. Then we will be clicking it, and you will be getting a HTTP link. Copy it. Then open CMD in your system. We will be doing a git clone one git clone and pasting our link here and enter. To do this, it should be downloaded, like a git clone should be downloaded in your system. After that, the file is imported here. If you want a specific location to be uploaded, we can open your folder here. I want my file to be downloaded in a specific location, like downloads. After that, this folder should be open. Then we can clone our page here. Then cancel. We will be copying our. Wait a minute. We will copying our link here. Then it will be cloning and paste. The file should be present in. Let's see. This. As you see here, our folder is in our downloads. You can see this 3 and our CSV file here. We'll be opening it in Excel. It is open. You can see dates, our date here, date to time. You can see all the columns here, and if any problem in this date, like the format is different, you can click it, like click this column and select date, go to more number formats and select this date and change the format to this. I have already changed, that's why this is like here. If you're opening in your system or in Excel, default settings can be this, so changes like this. In that way only we can edit it in our Postgre. After selecting this, we can click OK. But our year should be first, after that month, after that the date should be there in our date. You can see all the data here, the sales, retail sales, how much. We have a category here and price per unit here and total sales here. Then we'll be copying this column's name. Control C. Then we'll be pasting this in our Postgre. As you see, created our column names here. Then we'll be giving our data types here. Also, let me set up this. We'll be giving our data types here. Like for transaction ID, you can see here. Wait a minute. I'm opening my Excel sheet. This is a int, so we're giving here int, comma, sales dates each date. We'll be giving a date here. Sale time, we'll be giving here time. In customer ID, the customer ID is a int. Gender is a varchar. Okay, we should give the length here of our varchar. Gender, it is 100. You can give a 15 or 10. The length is that only. Here I missed a comma. Then our age is an int. Int here, and this is a varchar. And if we want to see how much this length is, we should select it here, and or we can click the column here, and anywhere in our Excel sheet you can press here max length. So this way we can something went wrong here. Then we will skip it. We will do. I will show you after that. I think something is wrong in our data set. Let me correct it. Yes, I have changed something. That's why here something number is changed. Then we will be adding. We can give around that. It is less, so 20 quantity is an int. I'm giving an int, comma, price per unit. This is int. This is also int. Mock box. This is a float. It's also a float. Then we'll be creating our data set. Let me also check I have given this right or not. Yeah, this is also a float. I have forgotten that. Let's see. Just change it to a float, because if we do anything in our types, our data cannot be imported. Then we'll be selecting this and execute. See, our table is created successfully. Okay, we created our table here, like it is created. Then selected here, like you see our table is created and all the column names are represented here. Then we should import our data here. Select this and import export data. As you can see here, select this. After that, you should select the file that I have given in my GitHub page. This is the file that I have given in my GitHub page. Select OK. You will see the process is completed. If you have any problem here, you should see this date here. The date should be like this. First should be year, then month, then the date. To change this, you can go here and more number formats. By in the date section, you should change here. The year should be first, then OK. Only if you have a problem there. If not, you can leave that. Then you see the data is imported here. You would be seeing it now like this. Then let's start our, we have successfully created our database. Then let's start our questions here. We will be doing a data exploration and data cleaning now. Like, let's go to our Postgre. Select count. We'll be seeing all the rows in our table. Let's star. This star will be represent all the rows in our table. Table name retail sales. Then execute this. We have a total of 2000 rows presented in our table. And then we'll be seeing any distinct names that are present in our table, like for a particular, let me show you. Distinct mean a unique character that are present in our table. Like we should give any character category. In that we will be seeing all the names that are unique present in our table from retail sales. Let me show you. Like these three columns only are present in our table. Then we will be cleaning our table if there are any null points that are present in our records. Let's see null values that are present in our table. Select staff from retail sales. Let me execute this. In this, anybody cannot find all the null values, because the null values could be present anywhere in the table. We cannot check all the rows. So we'll be using this query like let me open our SQL first, copy it again, Postgre, then open it, remove the star, then oh wait a minute, I should not paste this here. Let me go back, use star, 1 minute, star, we should use this where clause here, where, wait a minute, no, control V, I should copy this again, control V. Okay, you should see any null values that are present in our table. To do this, we will use this line is null and use this operator or copy it. We will be pasting it in every column. See that every column has this. It would take some time. Price per unit or null or total. Okay, this. Let's run this. See that any to see that any null values are present in our table. Okay, I have done something wrong here. Okay, I didn't give any space here. To sales time. Okay, sales time. I have not given any space here. Now let's try it again. Okay, here also something went wrong. Okay, or at the end the or should not be there here. See, these are the null values that are present in our table. Here age is null and the 3 columns also null values are present here. This is the process of exploration. Then we will be doing deleting, I mean cleaning it. Delete from data cells. Where this star is not needed here, we will be directly deleting it. We'll understand that. We'll be using where clause and giving the same value here. By this, now it will be executed. See, query executed. After that, you will be not seeing any null functions here. See, there is no null in our table. We did the data exploration and data cleaning. I'll be writing this here. Data exploration and data cleaning. Okay. Control I slash. We will be doing it in a comment and let me see my video is recording or not. Okay, my video is recording. Okay, then let's go to next question. Okay, we'll be starting our 10 questions today. So these are the 10 questions we are doing in our video. If you have any doubts, you can give the question in my comment section. Okay, let's go to the data analysis and data finding. You'll be finding the data and analyze it. So let's go to our first question. Write SQL to retrieve all the columns with sales mode in this date. Okay. Data this. Okay, comment it out. Start. Copy this. Write SQL query, retrieve all the columns. Okay, we should use where clause here also to find these date rows. Give equal to say. Okay, will be equal to here and remove this. Now what cell date. Okay, it is this sale data that have this month. Let's do this. Okay, we got all the date and the month that are in the rows in the sales date. Okay, let's go to next question. Write the SQL query, retrieve all the transaction categories clothing, quantity is sold more than 4, and month is November 22 year. Okay, go to our Postgre, give the question here and comment it out. Then wait a minute, we'll be writing our query here. Delete this first. Okay, then we'll be select star from the retail sales. Most of the people give this in a capital for easy reading, but it's your wish. It will be executed either way. Then you use the where clause and retrieve all the transactions. So whether we given a star where category is clothing. Okay. See the spelling of the category also. Category. Okay, category spelling is right. Okay. Equal. And we should use an operator here called AND. Then second one, quantity sold is more than 4. So quantity spelling also here something I have written. Okay, quantity. Let me say I. Okay. Here T is missing, so you should also correct it. Give this name as this name only. After that, or if you corrected in creating your database, then it would be not a problem. 4. I can give this 2 also. It's your wish. I think the more than 4 are not present in our table that are matching in this date. Let's see it again. After that, the month. Okay, the month should be okay. Use this function here. Okay, converting char sale date. We'll be converting sale date to a char, comma year, month. The year comma month is equal to 2022 comma month 11. As you see, now we will be doing the execution. Select spelling is wrong. Okay, by executing this, see in this month and year the quantity is more than quantity more than 4 or more than 3, both are present, or more than 4 are not present in our table, we can give this equals to 4. It would also give a result C. Quantity is 4. Then we can jump to next question. Write a SQL query to calculate the total sales for each category. Okay. Total sales for each category. I have copied or not? Okay, I have not copied it. Let me copy it again. Comment it out. Then select stuff from retail sales. To differentiate in each category, we should use group by function. For that, select category. Okay, let me wait. Category, comma, sum, the total sales that we have. Let me correct it. Total sales. Where is total sales? Okay. We can give for that same name. Sorry. Then use this count function to the number of people we are dealing with. As you can give count. Any name we can give this count. Here we forward a comma. And we should use a group by function to differentiate it. You can use a one function also by selecting 1, 2, 3. The Postgre will understand that, or you can use this full name. It's better to write a full name, or let me for better understanding. Let's do this. Okay, something went wrong here. Total sales spelling, I think it's some spelling is wrong. Let me correct this again. Okay, and something okay, spelling mistake only. Let me correct it again. Total sale. Okay, here like we say total sale. Let's execute this again. Okay, we differentiate by each category and the total sale for each category and the customers in that group of people who are doing this total sale in this category. We differentiated it. By this, every department people can know the total sale by them. Okay, then let's go to another question. I think this is a simple question. Let a SQL query find the average age of customer who purchased beauty category. Should find the average age of customers who purchased in beauty category. Select. Okay. Staff from retail sales. Equal to beauty. You should also find the average of age So finding this edge, then let me only select this. Average, average, average age of the customer from this. Can execute this. Okay, beauty. I think again we have a spelling mistake. Correct this. Beauty spelling. Okay, like BAU, BAU. Okay, now it is corrected. The average age is this. We for finding the correct solution, we round it up. Comma 2 round ROUND round. By using this comma 2, it will be presented in a 2 decimal. And round it up. C. Only 2 decimal. We have got this. Let's go to another question. Let SQL go to find all transactions where total sales is greater than 1000. Greater than 1000. I think it is also a simple query. Okay, comment it out. Select star. Where total sale greater than 1000. Let's do this. See, the total sale is greater than 1000. That all records are given here. So we can change this number to 15 also. Let's see how many rows are there. See, then we can see 2000 also. Let's see. Null, only the last value is 2000. Okay. The only records that are lesser than 2000 are present in our table. Let's go to another question. Write a SQL code to find the total number of transactions by each gender in each category. This is a good question. This question is asked in many interviews, so should see through this. Let's do this. Comment it out. Let's retail or let me. Category from each category and each gender. We have here two tabs, each category and each gender. Same gender and category, and to do this we should use a group by function. For that we should use a count as count only. Then use group by GROU by class category and gender. You should give this both. And you can also order by it, order by 1. Let's see. Okay, I think some spelling mistakes are there here. Okay, category I've given over here. Same mistake here. Okay, let's execute it again. Okay, now we differentiate it by category and gender and their count. The number of people that are presented as female in beauty category, as a male in beauty category. We differentiated in like that. So you can see all differences here. Number of people and by the gender and in a category. You can use this question. No, let's go to another question here. Wait a minute, let's go to another question. Write a SQL query to calculate average sale for each month. Okay, here also this is also interview question. We'll calculate the average sale for each month, find out the sale month and each. Okay, we got a nice question here. Let's go again here. Let me no, I think this is not the question. Okay, it is a question. Okay, let me comment it out. Let's go calculate the average sale. Find out best selling month of it. Should use a rank function here. Okay, let the average sale. We should find the best selling month in each year. We should know what is the month and year also. To find out that, we should be extracting it. Extract. Let me use a capital. Extract from let me see the name of that. Total sale. So here from the sale date. Sale date. Okay. Yeah, by this we can extract the year from the sale date. And can give any name for that as year. Okay, year. And you can give the same line here also. You can change it by month. Month. You can change this to month. Then I have forgotten a comma here. Then give the average sale time or sale total sale. Okay. So the average sale. Okay. You can use this AJ average and total sale to total sale column name. You can give any name for this like use the same name also, total sale and total. Okay, we have given that. Then we can use it from retail sales. Okay. You can use group by function here. Group by month and year. No. You should know the best selling month, so you should write the rank function also here. So let me do it. Okay, I have forgotten the rank here. To find the best-selling month from each year, we should use a rank function. The rank would look first. We should give the rank and over part. Let me use sorry, partition by the column name where the partition or the differentiate should be happen here. So we will be giving our name here. This total is a year. It will first read it and it will say it's an year, then partition by that year over, and it will use this rank clause. We should write a order by here. Okay. To that we would be writing order by. As you see, we want to differentiate on average sale only, so we would be given order by average sale, whose average sale is greater and whose average sale is lesser. We would be printing it in descending order. Descending. From total sale. Okay. I think I have given it right. The cell descending as rank. Okay. So we can give any name for this rank. We can give a rank name for this. Then you can execute this also. You can give the class here now. Group by. As I said, you can use this 1 and 2, 1 comma 2 also, or it's better to write this whole name. Let me save this in another one. Select year month, sorry, month month, and or you can change this name to like this, average, and I will be giving this name here. Let me copy it again. Okay, so you have given, you're taking these 3 columns from here, then group by 1 comma 2, or we can give this whole name like year comma month, month. Let me see it again. Mm. Mm. Let me remove this and let place here. Then we will be writing, give this name as T1 and where rank equal to 1. Let me execute this one time. Okay, I have missed a comma here. Okay, then can place this here also. Some spelling mistake has happened here. Let me see again. Let's just correct here. Okay, I understood now. But there is another one and closing. Okay, order by should be over partition only. Then we can execute this. Okay, spelling mistakes. Okay. Something went wrong here also. Select year, month, cell. Month and year. Okay. First we will be executing this like this. No, it's running like this. Let's see. Okay. Now you will be seeing the year, month, and average sale and rank. This is divided by the rank. Like I have said, the rank is used for giving a rank to a particular person, like the same as in our colleges or schools. The higher percent have rank 1 and the lower percent have the last rank. Here that is divided in that. First person is this, second person is this, third person is this. Then we can save this all in one only. Okay. Select. Year, month, and average sale also. Where rank equal to 1. You should have understood this. And let's execute it. Something went wrong here also. Select star. Okay. think this is the problem. Let's execute this again. Okay, not that. Something went wrong here. Okay, I have not given here from. I think now it should be executed. See, I have forgotten it from this table. Okay, now the rank 1 has for both. For this year it is month 7 and for 2023 is 2. Now we have differentiated it, and let's go to next question. 8th question. Okay, find the top 5 customer based on total sales. Let's comment it out. Top 5. Find the top 5 customer based on the highest total sales. Let's give this query. From retail sales, let me first write in the base. Okay, we'll be using here also a group by function. Highest total sales. Okay, let me first see all the rows. Customer ID. To find the top customers, we should use this customer column and total sales. Okay, I got it. Let me write it correctly. Customer ID. See, customer ID comma. Let me go here. Customer ID comma total sale. TOTAL sale from retail sales. In SQL we don't have a indentation problem, so it is not an issue. Group by customer ID. So one limit 5. To find the top 5, we are giving a limit 5. But let me remove it. We'll be adding it later. Okay, again a spelling mistake. Sales, I think the sales should become. Let me again do this. Let me do this first. Customer ID and total sales. TATUL sale. Okay, sale is right. Group by 1. ID comma 2. Let me do this also. The customer ID and the total sale. Customer ID and the total sale. Top customer highest total. We should give the sum. Use sum here to find the total. Can give this name. Okay. highest total sale. We have given this name for total sum and customer. For each customer, the total sum. Let me try this also. Okay, the highest sale for each customer. This 87th customer has the highest sale, and 116 customer also have. Let me order by it also. Order by order by it. I think something went wrong here. Let's see it. Group by 1 or by 2. Okay. I think let's remove the descending. Let me try again. Okay, I've given here another one. So remove this also. Then as you see, increasing to decreasing, the all values are there. Next will be something went wrong here also. Again the sum and group by 1, order by 2. Okay, so place them in order. Let's see. Let's try this also. So what would happen? Okay. Again. Total sale as the highest sale. So as you see, as per customer ID, we have their total sale. Because same customer is buying the same item for multiple times, we have given this. We have summed their total sale for each customer and placing in a descending order. Let's see what happens if we place one. Okay, I think one is ascending and two is descending. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, see highest total sale are for 3 customer ID 31524. I mean 1 to 5 only. These are only the highest one. Then let's print the you can use limit, like limit 5. This function is used for printing starting elements. We can give any particular number. If I give 100, the 100 rows only will be printed. See, the starting 100 rows only printed. Let's go to the question is top 5 only, no? Go to another one. We'll be going to our 9th question. That is, find all the number of unique customers who purchased items from each category. Let's write that. Okay, let's comment it out. To find the number of unique customers, we should use distinct, and from each category, we should use a group by. So let's do it. Category. See the spellings and unique customers. So you can write count distinct, then with the customer ID To find a unique customer, give a name for that. You can write unique count. UNT count. To that, from which table? Retail sales. So I copy it from previous one so that any mistake would not happen. After that, GRO group by this category, because as the question says, from each category a unique customer, from each category distinct and unique customer should be printed. Let's see the output. See, from each category unique customers. If you remove this distinct, you will see duplicate customers also. See, the number of count is increased. To find the unique, you should know the distinct. Let's go to the 10th question. This final question and the last question. I mean, final question, and it is also interview question. Just let's comment it out. Okay. So let's read the question. Create let us create a shift. You should create a shift. Then the number of orders for this category. Okay, we should give the records which come under this condition and find the number of orders by creating a shift. Let's create a shift first. Select all, and to create a shift we should have this case and you have seen in programming languages we use a if else to find do this condition. Same as well we can use in SQL case and end. Like if else we have in this when then we can give our condition after when and what we want to print after then. Let's copy it and we can give else here. Let's, as per the question, morning lesser than 12, afternoon between 12 to 17, and evening greater than 17. We have to print the number of orders that come under this. The morning that is lesser than 12. You mean the time lesser than 12 should be print morning. The time between 12 to 17, 17 means 5. 12 to 5, afternoon should be printed and evening should be printed after the 5. Let's to do this. This is in hourly base, so we should extract hour. Extract extract hour from sale. Okay, let me comment it out. Sale date. Okay, date time. To find the hour, we should know the time. Okay, copy it. Using that should be lesser than 12. Then morning should be printed. After that, no comma, control C. Exact hour that is between 12 to 7. Between the keyword between 12 and 17. 17 means 5. Then else. The comma should not be here. Else evening should be printed. Mm, Afternoon should also be printed. Like you see, afternoon. We will be giving this a name. You can give this any name, but as per the question, we can give this as a shift. Then from which table? From retail, sales. Let's execute it. Okay, something wrong. From, it is a from, for I have given forward. Let's copy paste it, then execute it. It should be give the result. So as you see, we have all our table. Like I have given a star and created a shift. It will create a new column called shift and give as per its time. As per you see, this time is lesser than 12. That all came under morning. Between 12 to 5, that will be afternoon. See, some afternoon, and after 5 are evening. That are differentiated as like that. To find the number of orders, so we can name this with hourly sale, as we have named this like this, and to find that we have to use group by. For that we are using this. So select this shift. We are using this shift, comma event count star as a number of orders. Have given this name. See that there are not any spaces. Then as you see, from this table hourly sale that we have created now this shift, as per shifter we will get the count. We will use group by function clause here. Shift, see, this is the way to do this. See, as per evening we have number of order this, afternoon we have number of order this, and the morning we have number of order this. Like that we will end our video. Thank you for watching.